If you're having trouble connecting to multiplayer in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing out online services or games to confirm that your network is functioning. Step 2. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that you have the latest version of The Sims 4 installed. Check for updates through your game launcher or platform origin, Steam, etc., and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Origin or Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that The Sims 4 is allowed through, and consider temporarily disabling your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Restart your game and device. After making the above changes, restart The Sims 4 in your gaming device. This can help refresh the connection and apply any updates or settings changes you made. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the game support community for further assistance. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.